Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, March 20th. It's 3:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's about 35 minutes before the regular session close, and we have a great day for the auto trader today. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, I want to bring over my computer clock. We can see the time and the date here, July 20th. 3:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This video is in real time. This is not a market replay. Okay, today is the last day for the crude oil August contract. We roll to the September contract tomorrow. So anyway, the last date here, the last trade, it was closed at 1 minute before the close here at 14:29, and we did 17.20 for the day. This would have been a little bit better had it not been for this small loser here. So this is our swing trading version of the crude oil on the Precision Renko, and this has just had a stellar performance since its inception. So we've been tracking this a lot. I didn't make videos the last couple of days, just taking some time off here, but we had a couple of days of good performance in this contract as well, a stellar day in the bonds. But anyway, making a video today to bring you guys up to date. Okay, next up we have the DAX on the Super Renko 6 tick. This did 1350 for the day. We had a number of trades here, but still did pretty well on two contracts. Next up is the NASDAQ on the Super Renko 10 tick, and so this is a new setup on our line break algorithm, and this had a stellar long trade today. As you can see, the entry right above the line break signal here in the morning. Here is our line break signal, these green dotted lines, and we got filled on our limit order. Took a little bit of heat, but bounced off the volatility stop here, which is these little hash marks, and then proceeded to go all the way to the top of this move. This was an entry at 46.22 and exited at 46.52.75. So that was about 100 ticks or more in the NASDAQ, now 4 ticks to a point. So as you can see by the size of this move, just a perfect trade here. Lasted the whole day pretty much. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a Super Renko 6 tick, and this did 760 for the day on two contracts. Okay, next up is the 6E. The 6E is the Euro futures contract, and I've been running this on the Precision Renko 5300 setup just to see how this would perform, and this looks like it's doing a pretty good job. So we can see that we're getting these fills on these tails here. These are limit orders, and this had some pretty nice trades here, and then gave some back, about $600 drawdown in a couple of whipsaws here, but it's currently long two contracts. It's in this open position here. So this is a good opportunity to show the auto trader what it looks like when it's in a position. These stops can be dragged by just clicking on the black area of the price and then moving it up or down. Or of course you can use the buttons over here. So we're currently in a long position on the Euro futures contract, and I just wanted to show that you can drag the stops here like this, and or you can use the buttons here. But this is what the auto trader looks like when it's in a position. So you can see the price that we're long at right here, and then our stops, and like I said, these can be moved. So we have a realized P&L of 737 and an open P&L of 318. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the 1-minute line break chart, and this had a couple of nice trades today. It has an open P&L of 100 and a closed P&L of 300, and we can see the position here. We're long from 2167.50, which is the close of the line break bar. This is a limit order at the close, and it looks like the E-mini S&P is going to be strong into the close, possibly. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the Superenco 8 tick, and this is also in a long open position here, long from 2164.50, and looks like we had little resistance at the 70 area, but hopefully the E-mini S&P will have a strong close, and these two contracts will close with a nice profit today. That's all for the BWT Precision Auto Trader video update for Wednesday, July 20th. If you'd like to find out more about the Auto Trader, please visit the website at bluewavetrading.com or feel free to send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.